about to drop the foil because we're going to make it a little bit shorter so it fits a bit better. So yeah, out the front, getting the foil off the boat. What's going on, Dal?
Just taking the furler off to shorten the foil, which involves a lot of jiggery pokery. Dexterity and nous, and a lot of luck.
Missing a bit now.
It's going to be easy once I've got it shortened.
Yeah.
Then you should be able to pull this one down. So that one's just lifting it up. Mm-hmm. So if I put a rolling hitch here,
yeah,
and then we lift this up, you should pull the foil up.
Okay.
That's all right.
Yeah. Way there now?
See how much room you got? An inch?
Not quite.
I'll put a bit more weight on that. If I go and get a soft hammer.
What are you up to now?
I'm flashing the bolt that was on the top on the halyard for the headsail because it didn't have a nut on it. So I've just put a nice new arrangement in with some little washers on the side there to take out the slop. And she should be good as gold now.
What else are you replacing?
The rivets, 2 rivets on this cap, are both sheared, so I'm putting new rivets in as well. I'm going to put 4 rivets in instead of just 2.
What are you doing?
I'm going to cut a foot off the foil,
Okay.
the Genoa foil. It's too long. Put it in my painting advice.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'll try and cut the feet off. Can you hold that end so it doesn't drop in the water?
So nice shiny new rivets. There she is, all fixed. Right, I'm on white, am I?
You're on white, that one you've got a hand on?
That one.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready to hoist her up?
Yeah. If I can't reach, what's got to happen is this head forestay
Yes.
in the orange hole.
Okay. Wayne's just busy up here. I'm going to go and see what he's doing. Hopefully I don't fall off the boat because I'm not holding on to anything. What's going on? What are you up to?
I know whenever you got that furry thing pointed at me, it means you're filming. Something I meant to do years ago when we first put these furlers on was put Duralac or anti-corrosive on all the stainless steel bolts where they go through the aluminium. Because as you know, when you get 2 dissimilar metals together, mix a bit of salt with that, bit of water, and you'll get electrolysis. So every now and then I'll brag about a compound that I love. Duralac. Duralac. Use it sparingly. No, it's really good stuff. Yeah, it's awesome. And a tube like this lasts you for your life. Good stuff.
Where are you putting it?
On the surface where the stainless steel meets the aluminium, so that it creates a seal, if you like, and stops the...
No contact seal for the metals.
Well, it doesn't create a complete seal, but it stops the electrolysis through magic of chemistry. Yeah.
I see we've already put it on that one.
Yeah.
Back on the cockpit cushion project, and I bought these clips because I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to put pins in this umbrella. So we'll see how they go. So far they're quite handy. So I'm just doing the zip section, folded it in half. I'm going to do a row of stitches here, then cut this open, fold it back, open this up, sew the zip in, and then undo the big stitches that I started with, if that makes any sense. Just heard a loud noise outside. Oh, Magnus is back. Where have you been?
It's a bit of a shopping spree. Bought all the stainless steel to do our solid lifelines, solid top rail, and went and bought some Moranti, cheap man's teak, because you can't get teak here in Darwin, to make our life raft support bracket. Yeah, been a busy morning.
Not sure I was getting a new lifeline, so Magnus has taken the old ones off, cut the stanchions, and then I'll put the new ones back on. We've reached the point now where Magnus is about to bend the stainless for the new lifelines. Are lifelines? Yeah, lifelines. So we're up the front bending stainless this morning. Sunday morning. How's it going?
Good.
Right, I better go and give him a hand. It's getting there. Just trying to bend it round all the bits and pieces. Yep. Do you want it to the edge?
Yeah.
There. Yeah, got to get round that shroud. You got it? No. Okay, just checking.
Just lower it down a bit. There we go.
Nice. Yep. Just got to bend it back out a tiny bit there, I suppose.
I can do that in situ.
Sweet. Wow, how smart is this? This is the bending area. Works quite well. Whoa, that's a big one. It's a fine line between bend and kink. Next bit's going in. Well, so this is the dry fit for this one. Oh, it's going to be amazing. You can actually hold on as you go round in rough weather, or even not rough weather.
That is not bad, eh?
Not bad at all.
I'll just mark this.
Okay. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
We're just going to pick up the old anchor that has been re-galvanised.
Yeah.
So this will be our spare anchor for Nutshell. Should anything untoward occur,
Should we lose it again?
Should we lose it? Yep, let's go and have a look. That looks amazing. Very shiny. So that's the anchor that we got with nutshell.
Yeah.
When we first got nutshell.
Yeah.
Wow, it's got a new lease on life now. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Not too heavy then?
25 kilos.
Now we have 2 shiny anchors. What you got there, Dal?
I've got the joiner that I've been waiting for the railing, the last bit of the railing. So that's what we've got. The joiner goes in there, slides in the other piece, that bolts down. So I'm just finalising all that.
What have you got there, Dal?
I'm just opening the Rust Seeker. It's a product that is made here in Australia. I bought it. I mean, it's 100% mine. And what it is, it's a zero reference point for measuring cathodic or voltage differential between the vessel and the water. This is like a 0 point. It's silver, it's an AG silver, and the AgCl is silver chloride, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
So it's a reference electrode that we can drop in, made by Cathodic Anodes Australia, who at work we buy lots of their anodes. So you drop this in the water, close as you can to the vessel, and then you plug your multimeter into the other end and onto the reference zero earth of the vessel, and you can see how much stray current, stray electricity there is between the vessel and the water. So if you have an issue with anodes eating away, or your boat fizzing, like we had an aluminium boat once that used to fizz, you can disconnect, turn stuff on and off, and work out where the issue is on your boat by using this. So I bought it for 2 reasons. First reason is a mate of mine, a few boats around, has got an aluminium boat, and I wanted to just see if a galvanic isolator makes a big difference or not, because he's going to put one on. So I wanted to get a base measurement now before that, and then a measurement afterwards. Secondly, I thought if anyone in all the harbours we're going to over the next few years, if anyone's got issues with electrolysis, hopefully I can help them find the issue. So this might turn itself into bottles of rum. So it's the rum probe. So if you help someone solve an issue with their electrolysis, number 1, it's good for them. Number 2, it's good for the rum fund. So yeah, it's what arrived in the mail today. Pretty excited. Can't wait to go and try it. I've got to watch some videos and learn how to use it. Made here in Australia. Yeah, pretty excited. Nice little package it comes in. Little neoprene case, little shoulder strap, instruction booklet. It's beautiful. Pretty excited.
What do you got there, Dal?
All the nuts and bolts I need to put on the last of the last of the bits for the thingo.
Cool. Sounds good.
Not too bad.
Love it. What are you doing?
Just finished on off his lifelines.
So what exactly are you doing?
Just finished on off his lifelines.
Finishing those little bits off. Just had to order these. It's like Meccano. Last piece of Meccano.
Yeah. I'll swap hands.
Did it feel cack-handed?
Use my dominant hand on the bit that needs wobbling. I should be using a socket and a... These are not the tools I should be using.
And that's what it looks like, all finished.
Yeah.
Tiny bit to go.